This is the 28th of December. Well, as I thought might happen, woke up to rain. The rain actually woke me up about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
So we have 160 miles to go to our delivery. We are still in Virginia, just over top of I-77, which we're going to get on and take south down the Fancy Gap through North Carolina, past Charlotte, and a little bit into South Carolina. So we are going to basically make our way down there this morning. It's 6:20. Gonna get out, get our pre-trip done. And then mosey on down the road. At I-77 way station coming out of Virginia. In the rain and the dark, they're pulling us in. They're pulling everybody in. Yeah. Because I don't use it just for the actual commentary on the video. I use it just for information for me, so I can, you know, if I want to type it in. Alright. Yeah, they're not scaling anybody. Yeah, they're not scaling anybody. They're just looking for lights. Yeah, because like the 7 guys ahead of me that I could see that were entering, they all just went to the non-scale side. They just rolled over, so they just stopped. They're just checking for lights. Get over back into the lane. Woo! hit there until I have to. Hard hat, safety shoes, safety glasses, ear protection, reflective vest. Required on site. Well, let's find a place to kind of get, well, maybe. There's some dock doors here. They might get me unloaded in there, but first things first, we gotta put our PPE on. So, I mean, changing meat out of these damn things, putting my overalls on, putting my coat on, blah, 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 blah. Okay, first of all, we are done driving. Off duty. There we go. Ah, man. Yeah, I need to take this hoodie off anyway. Too damn hot. Well, I did too until it started raining the crap out of it. You know, pounding so hard against the side of the truck, it wakes me up. All right. Where are my overalls? There's my overalls. Well, if they want me to wear ear protection, they have to provide it for me. So there you go. Yeah. So I think maybe leave here. And there's a Pilot and a Flying J close. Go to either one of those, sit there for a moment until they decide where they're sending me. Like I said, make myself the typical nuisance that I am, saying, hey, you better send me past through a terminal here before the end of the year, or wherever I'm at, I'm stopping until someone comes and hand delivers that shit. Because I ain't going on a promise. I'm going to go on facts. The fact is, you better get it to me or I ain't going nowhere. And there may be somebody in a little putt-putt or another truck driving by that's ready to hand me my stickers and my paperwork. Because this idiot ain't doing without that. Okay, let's take this. Ugh. There, I need a pen. I need my bill of lading. I need their copy. Get my hard hat on. Ugh. I guess I'll take my phone. What the hell? Ugh. Yeah, what a yucky day. A yucky day. I'll put those on my face so they can't complain. Well, they probably could, but that's on them. And a full load of Slinkies. Lovely. Now we just wait.